Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video, we'll be looking on project overview on Jeffrons Kingstown, which is located at Chovisawadi, Charoli, Pune and developed by Jeffrons Realty. Also, we'll be discussing on the following points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. Before going ahead, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with the developer. So, giving you a bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, thereby resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one of such real estate platforms that listing is directly done by the developer. So book your dream home now with the developer through Housey. So now let's discuss on the project overview. Jeffrey Kingstown will be constructed over 2.5 acre of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower will be having basement, ground, 2 level of podiums, 13 floors. That will be of 1 and 2 BHK premium residencies. Now talking about surrounding and connectivity, I am here at the actual location. This is the sales office of Jeffrey Kingstown. Behind that, it's a land parcel. Now I'm talking about that this project is located near Chovisawadi, Charoli, Pune, and talking about connectivity is Reliance Smart Bazaar is just 1 kilometer away from this project. MIT Alandi campus is 2.5 kilometer. Alandi stand is just 1.9 kilometer. So now talking about amenities, it has 30 plus luxurious amenities with likes of designer clubhouse, multi-purpose hall, children's play area, open gymnasium, senior citizen sit-out area, jogging tracks and many more. Now coming to the carpet area, Jeffrey Kingstown has 1 and 2 BHK premium residencies. 1 BHK has carpet area of 459 to 465 square feet. 2 BHK has 636 to 696 square feet. So now let's discuss about the booking process. Project booking window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Also, our sales teams will give complete detailed information about the project along with 3D model. We'll share you the pricing and payment schemes too. We'll show you the exact location of the project. If the clients like it, we may go ahead with the booking process. So what are you waiting for? Come, do a free registration and schedule a free visit soon. This is the entire project overview on Jeffrons Kingstown, which is located nearest to Chovisawadi, Charoli, Pune and developed by Jeffrons Realty. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe. Also, you can follow us on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.